Hello, so I have come back. Let me check what is retroorbital pain. So retroorbital pain is the pain on the upper part of your eyes. Okay, so let me check what is orbital pain. So orbital pain means eyes pain. Okay, so orbit is somewhat related with eyes. So that I knew. Then second thing is retroorbital pain is symptom for what, right? So retroorbital pain symptom. Okay. So I'm not seeing any correct option here or correct stimulus function. Let me check, is it a symptom of malaria? Okay, let me check malaria symptoms and dengue symptoms. Then I think there will be some mismatch in the options. That's why they have given those options. Let me check if there is any chart. It's dengue. Okay. Difference between dengue and malaria. Oh, the quality is not good here. Let me check this one. Let me check symptoms. Okay. Malaria. In malaria we have nausea, headache, repetition, and in dengue we have rashes. Okay, so that's why this option. Skin rash and bleeding. So this happens for dengue. From nose and gum. Okay, skin rash. So the answer was retroorbital pain is not a symptom of dengue. Option C, 2 only. Symptom of dengue. In all age group, retroviral pain was associated with dengue infection. Okay. So retroviral pain is not a symptom of dengue. So what is the answer? 138. Yes, option B. 38, option B. Not a symptom of dengue, but it is saying in all age group retroviral pain was associated with dengue infection. I don't know. So are they giving wrong answers? Skin rash, bleeding, and nose gum are some of the symptoms of dengue. Let me check this option. Symptoms of dengue. Bleeding. Skin rash and bleeding. Something of skin rash and bleeding. Symptom dengue hemophilia may cause bleeding from nose, mouth. I don't think the options and the search in Google are matching. So let me check whatever. I am going to study malaria and dengue in detail caused by. So single cell parasite. Okay, so one parasite, that is Plasmodium, that I knew, but Plasmodium is what, protozoa. So it is a protozoa. So what is the difference between protozoa and are once learned like bacteria, but they are bigger than bacteria and contain nuclear and structure, making them more like plant or animal cell. Bacteria, protists are unicellular organelles. The difference between type of cells. They have bacteria placed kingdom Monera and have a prokaryote or a protozoa. Protista. Okay, they are in different kingdom, but both have eukaryotic cells. Okay, and let me check. Okay, let me check if there is any image or not. So that will be easy to remember. Okay, these are microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. Okay. Microorganisms types of protista and protozoa is a type of protista and bacteria both are part of microorganism. It is smaller than single cell yeast thread. Fungi. Okay. Protozoa. Bacteria placed in the kingdom Monera and have a prokaryotic cell, while protista eukaryotic cell. Okay, protista eukaryotic cell. Cellular eukaryote. Okay, protozoa is eukaryotic and bacteria is prokaryote. Okay, that's the main difference. Let me check the symptom of malaria. In malaria, flu like including shaking, chill, headache, muscle pain, dengue. Dengue, we have a headache, muscle, bone, joint pain, nausea, vomiting, pain, swallow, rash. So here no mention of bleeding. Bleeding from nose and gums are some of the symptom. Okay, that's why it is wrong. But electroorbital pain, I don't know. I think that happens in dengue. That's why that option. Okay, let me check about the dengue virus. Dengue virus spread through viral infection areas. Okay, this is family of flavivirus. Dengue is caused by virus Flaviviridae family. Flaviviridae. Okay, viruses include yellow fever virus such as yellow fever virus, snail virus, tick-borne encephalitis virus. So there are multiple types of virus for dengue. So yellow fever virus, snail virus, and tick-borne encephalitis. Let me check what is West Nile virus. So I have heard this name in news also. Virus. West Nile virus, single-stranded DNA virus caused by West Nile fever. It also contains Zika virus. Okay, so Zika virus is also part of flavivirus. Malaria and West Nile virus. Malaria is mosquito caused by Plasmodium parasite. And virus West Nile fever. Dengue is caused by dengue fever, mosquito-borne, single RNA virus, single-stranded RNA virus. Okay, so these are RNA viruses. Really, 4 stereotypes of virus have been found reported. Okay. Additionally, convection with lack of rapid test of the complication. Okay, there are 47 strains of dengue virus. Zika virus and chikungunya. So let me check what's the difference between Zika and dengue virus. And chikungunya. So dengue affects most of the lymph, chikungunya causes rashes on the face, hands, feet. This is not much different. Zika and dengue virus are very closely related. Okay. Chikungunya virus, adenovirus. Let me check if there is any image. They are somewhat similar, but let me check what the difference between the three. Zika, okay, yellow fever is another one. Chikungunya, dengue fever, yellow fever, Zika are mosquito-borne disease transmitted to human by day biting Aedes aegypti. Okay, the mosquito is same, and they are day biting, so they bite in daytime. Okay, so Aedes aegypti, this is I know, but Aedes albopictus mosquito, these two types of mosquito cause these 4 diseases. So what happens in yellow fever? Let me check. The symptoms are almost same. So let me check any news of these diseases recently. Yellow fever, vaccine, fake yellow fever, vaccine, attracts government crackdown. Okay, there is some news. Sanctions for yellow fever vaccine. Okay, yellow fever vaccine is going in news. Let me check about dengue. Okay, let me check Zika news. Zika virus spread some years ago in Africa, yes. So let me check. Okay, Zika is spreading in Maharashtra. Yellow fever vaccine, Zika. Is there any vaccine for Zika? There is no. There are no approved vaccine for Zika. Okay, let me check the dengue. Vaccine can help prevent dengue virus. Dengue vaccine is currently available. Is used for treatment and live attenuated dengue vaccine. Dengue vaccine is a vaccine prevent dengue developed in 1920s. There are 2 commercially available vaccine. Okay, there are 2 vaccine available for dengue. For chikungunya. Okay, for chikungunya there is a vaccine, and for yellow fever vaccine for yellow fever. So there is also vaccine for yellow fever. So why it is called yellow fever? Let me check this also. Okay, so in jaundice, yellow the body color become some little pale and yellow. That's why also jaundice happens in yellow fever. That's why jaundice happens. So I think jaundice happens because of some infection in gut or some malfunction in gut. Let me check how it happens. Jaundice caused by below substance called bilirubin in your blood. Okay, jaundice happens because of bilirubin. So bilirubin is secreted from gut. Okay, red blood cell dying and breaking down and going to liver, and in liver it is overloaded and damaged. Okay, so the RBC dies and that comes into liver and that causes jaundice. Virus infection hepatitis B and C also cause jaundice. Okay, hepatitis also causes jaundice. So what happens in hepatitis? Hepatitis happens in liver. Hepatitis are two types that I know, A and B. But okay, C also, CD. Okay. Hepatitis is often caused by a virus. Viral hepatitis, there are counter hepatitis C. Do hepatitis has a vaccine? TB vaccine prevent hepatitis. Let me check if hepatitis vaccine is there in India or not. TB vaccine, DRTNA. Is hepatitis vaccine available in India? Given to, okay, it is given in India. So let me check what vaccines are given in India by government. Okay, hepatitis B is given, which is given hepatitis A given rotavirus, diphtheria, polio, rubella, village influenza, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. What is rotavirus? Symptom appear the day after vaccination. Rotavirus vaccine, this is the first dose. Okay, so I will not go more further. So what we have learned, let me recall, and I am also writing them down. So what the topics we have learned, one is there are 4 type of diseases that are similar to dengue, that is dengue, yellow fever, chikungunya and Zika. All are caused by same family virus, also same mosquito, that is Aedes, and then there are 2 types. One is Egypti and another one I forgot, but I don't think that I have to remember. And do they have vaccine? Dengue has 1-2 vaccine. Zika don't have. Chikungunya and yellow fever, they have vaccines. And also we learned that the symptoms are almost same. That rash and pain, and but bleeding don't happen. That's why the option 3 is correct. And retroviral pain also does not happen. Also we learned about hepatitis. Hepatitis B, that is happened through a virus, and this cause jaundice, and this is vaccinated in India, along with diphtheria, BCG, polio. Polio is the most famous one. Hepatitis 1 is also vaccinated. Okay. Rubella. And rotavirus. I'll also check about rotavirus later. The name is not familiar, so I'll have to learn about that. Okay, go to the second question. So which of the following diseases of milching animal are infectious? So I don't know that meaning of the name milching, but I can guess it because I know there is a term called mulch, which means putting soil in a field or something, or putting grasses on field. So I think milching animal means animal that roam around grassland. Okay, which of the following diseases of milching animals is infectious? Foot and mouth disease, anthrax, cowpox, and black water. Cowpox, black water, foot and mouth disease. I think it will be there in answer. So A, C, and D. 2, 3, 4. Cowpox, black water, anthrax. 1, 2, 3, 4 could be the answer. Also anthrax and black water. Black water, I don't know anything about black water. Cowpox, I think it will be the answer. So 1 and 4. 2, 3, I'm not sure. Anthrax also, I think answer can be spread. I have read somewhere about anthrax in cows. Let me check in the answer. So D, all are there. Okay, so I was correct. All of them are spread. So let me check about anthrax quickly. Anthrax is a serious infection disease caused by gram-positive bacteria, Bacillus anthracis, soil, domestic violence. Okay, anthrax is in. I was right. And I'm writing it down also. this type of injury or okay, so this is anthrax. So it mainly affects domestic and wild animals. Okay, what is black water? Let me check. Okay, black water is specifically cow disease. Check images. Okay, something related to cows. Cowpox. Cowpox is the DNA of the virus that is similar to vaccine. Smallpox virus transmitted by contact with an infected animal. Okay, it is spread from cows. It has a different name also. Let me check what are the disease caused by where cows are and domestic animals are the spreader. Okay. Rabies is caused blastoma. This happens with disease related searches in Google, so they give lots of facts. So you must be seeing memes also that if you have little fever and Google says you are going to die. Oh, this is very draining exercise. Okay, there is some lumpy skin disease in cattle that I have read before. So this is important, I think, for exam also. Okay, it is caused by virus. Let me remember, write down that fact. Certain kind of flies and mosquitoes. And what are other viral diseases to cattle? It is showing lumpy skin disease only. Okay, Supreme Court expresses satisfaction with measures taken by center and state government to prevent lumpy skin disease. Okay, there are some Supreme Court case also. So this is, I think, very important for example. Let me check bacterial disease in cattle. Anthrax is the most common bacterial disease. Let's go to the next question. All proteins in food are digested in small intestine only. The protein digesting enzyme from pancreas are released into small intestine. Protein digesting enzyme from pancreas is released in small intestine. This is correct. All protein in our food are digested in small intestine only. So we have to be cautious when this type of extreme statement is given. So in small intestine only. Okay, I know in stomach also some protein are digested. So this is wrong. So option D, it will be correct. I'm for sure. 140 D. Okay, let me check what are the protein enzymes and where they are secreted. In stomach there is pepsin and HCl. In small intestine there is cell secreting chromatographin trypsin. From pancreas trypsin is secreted. Trypsin, sodium bicarbonate. Okay. So from pancreas maltose nucleus. Okay, there is nucleus that digests DNA and RNA that is secreted from pancreas. So the DNA RNA in food, that is the cell of the whatever you are eating, that will be digested by nucleus that is secreted from pancreas. Lactase is also secreted from pancreas. Sucrase also secreted from pancreas. So I have some problem with lactose food. So that is secreted from pancreas, that I know now. From small intestine, insulin is secreted to regulate sucrose in blood. Okay, insulin is secreted from small intestine. That is an important fact. Lipase. Okay, lipase is also secreted from intestine, small intestine, and lipase digests the fat. Let me check where lipase is secreted. Lipase is produced in primarily pancreas and is not found in blood. From mouth also lipase is secreted. Stomach also gastric lipase, and pancreas pancreatic lipase. Okay, lipase is secreted from pancreas, stomach, also all over the places. Life is secreted. Okay, nothing to be noted and nothing. Let me check the next question. Amoeba produces by fission. Amoeba is produced by fission. Yes, that is correct. All unicellular organisms reproduce by asexual methods. All unicellular. That will not be correct because there must be some unicellular organism that does sexual reproduction. Or so option C must be true. Let me check. Okay, I was wrong. Amoeba is a unicellular animal. It reproduces. Amoeba devices from the sperm. Okay, for sexual reproduction. No, all unicellular do not go to asexually. Undergoes asexual reproduction by biting most of the time. Rather than most unicellular and a few multicellular organisms uses cell division reproduction. I don't know why it is saying all unicellular organisms reproduce asexual methods. Chlamydomonas life cycle. Chlamydomonas does sexual reproduction and it is unicellular. Unicellular eukaryotic. I've read in class 11-12 biology somewhere that there are some cells who does both sexual and asexual reproduction. What are they called? You can find many examples of most fungi plant and strawberries animal like marine invertebrates and cosmos. Does prokaryote does sexual reproduction? Let me check. Possible in prokaryote conjugation is a sexual way of reproduction in prokaryotes. And binary fission as well. Let me check asexual reproduction in eukaryote. Mitosis. Eukaryotic organisms such as single cell yeast and multicellular hydra undergo budding. And also sexual reproduction is necessary for evolution also, and also otherwise if only asexual reproduction happens, it only generate the copy of the previous one, so no mutation will happen. Sexual reproduction is primary form of reproduction. Okay, let's leave it here. Go to the next question. A person with diabetes insipidus feels thirsty. A person with diabetes insipidus suffers from excess secretion of vasopressin. There are, I think, two types of diabetes, and